Right, so today I'll be showing you how to connect two DJI Mic Mini microphones to the phone or to a phone. And you're going to be doing this via Bluetooth. Now, first thing you need to do is put the first microphone in Bluetooth pairing mode. So just long press on that pairing button and it's going to start blinking blue and green. And then go to your phone's Bluetooth settings, find it, and then pair and connect to that microphone. So that's connected. Now connect the other one by again putting it in Bluetooth pairing mode. And then again, it's going to appear in the Bluetooth available devices. All you have to do is select it and it should get connected. Simple as that. So now we do have two microphones connected. We have the DJI Mic Mini here and another DJI Mic Mini here. Both of them are connected. Now, the problem with our phones is the native camera apps do not allow you to use both microphones with the default camera app. Okay, so if you go into your phone settings and check out the default microphone, so for iPhone users, that's going to be settings, sounds and haptics, and then go to input. You can see only one of the microphones is connected as the current default microphone. But if you use a third-party app like Beastcam or Filmic Pro, you should be able to use both microphones. So I have Beastcam, so let me show you Beastcam. And there are plenty of third-party apps that will allow you to use both microphones, okay? So in this app, you can see we have a left and right channel, okay? So that means both microphones can be used. And you can use this app to actually record a podcast with one person wearing one microphone and another person wearing another microphone. So the trick for your phone is to use a third-party video recording app. Do not use the default camera app to record videos, only the third party. And that's going to give you two channel audio, and you can use two channels to record your audio. Okay. So I hope that was useful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, feel free to talk to us down in the comment section. In fact, before I sign off, I'm going to leave a list of applications or third-party video applications that you can use two microphones connected via Bluetooth with. Okay. Thanks for watching and good luck.